Syeda here and welcome to Backyard Kitchen. You guys might be wondering, why am I in my backyard and not in my cooking area? So the reason is, if you're living in Australia, you would know that it's the start of spring and a beautiful weather today. So I will take this chance and show you on how to plant seeds into pots. Let's start. So the first step is to find a pot and fill it up with soil or manure. So I have done this already. Now you will have to make 4 to 5 holes with your finger. Now you will need to get some seeds. I will be using some onion seeds. Now take them out and put it in your hand. Get one seed and put one in each hole. After you have done that, cover the holes with the soil. So here we have planted some seeds. Now I will go ahead and water it. Now I will put this with my other seeds that I have planted. So over here I have a variety of plants and seeds that I have planted. I have many vegetables and fruits such as tomatoes, zucchini, cucumber and many more. After 20 to 15 days, this is how your seed will turn into. It will be a seedling, like this. I have used a zucchini seedling which I had planted already. Now I will show you how to put the seedling into the ground. I've already planted some seedlings into the ground. Now I have made a hole 2 to 3 centimeters deep. Then you will need to get the seedlings that you have grown. So now you will have to tap the bottom of your seed. So here you have after you have taken the seedling out of the pot, the seedlings out of the pot, get it and put it in the hole you made. Now get the soil around and put it around the seedlings. Just pat it a little bit. So guys, here we have done planting the seedling into the ground. Now I will show you what kind of plants I have planted into my garden. So here we have some carrots. Here are the zucchini, some red chili. Here we have some lettuce and beetroot. That's the end of today's video. And just to mention one point, that most of the time seed packets have the instructions to grow the seedlings. Also, to grow vegetables, you don't necessarily need garden bed. You can grow in large or small pots, whenever sufficient sunlight is available. I'm going to share the list of veggies that you can grow in spring season. Hopefully you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe and like.